Are you a woman with a passion for entrepreneurship? Do you dream of starting your own business and taking control of your future? Well, we have some exciting news for you. In this article, we will be discussing the top business ideas for women entrepreneurs in 2024. The year 2024 holds great promise for women in business. With advancements in technology and changing societal norms, the opportunities for female entrepreneurs are flourishing. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, a young professional, or a seasoned executive looking to break free from the corporate world, there is a business idea out there waiting for you. So, what are the top business ideas for women entrepreneurs in 2024? Let's dive in. Point e-commerce platforms. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce business has never been more lucrative. From selling handmade crafts and unique fashion pieces to launching an online grocery store, the possibilities are endless. With the right marketing strategy and a user-friendly website, you can reach customers from all around the world. Sustainable products and services. As we become more aware of the importance of sustainability and environmental issues, there is a growing demand for eco-friendly products and services. Starting a business that focuses on sustainable practices, such as producing organic skincare products, offering zero-waste packaging solutions, or providing green consulting services, can attract environmentally conscious customers. Health and wellness. The health and wellness industry is booming, and women are at the forefront of this movement. Starting a business that promotes physical and mental well-being can be incredibly rewarding. Consider opening a yoga studio, launching a healthy meal delivery service, or becoming a wellness coach. With an increasing emphasis on self-care, there will always be a market for businesses in this industry. Virtual services. The COVID-19
pandemic has accelerated
the shift towards remote work and virtual services. Capitalize on this trend by
offering virtual services such
as virtual event planning, remote consulting, or online tutoring. Women have a natural talent for
multitasking
and organization, making them well-suited for these types of businesses. Personal branding and coaching. In the age of social media
and personal branding,
there is a growing demand for professionals who can help individuals build their personal brand
and develop their skills. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider starting a business.
As a personal branding consultant or a life coach, these are just a few of the top business ideas for women entrepreneurs in 2024. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a business that aligns with your passion and skills. With dedication, hard work, and a sprinkle of creativity,
you can turn your entrepreneurial
dreams into a reality. So go ahead, seize the opportunity, and become the successful businesswoman you were meant to be.